What's up, guys? It's Illustrator Ryan Shaw coming back at you. After being gone for a little bit on vacation, went to Colorado and it was awesome, guys. Love the mountains, love nature, love the outdoors, but I'm back at it now here at Cartoon University, and this week we are going to draw a cute ice cream cone. I love drawing food items. And a camp I did last year, I drew this little guy. So to draw this cute ice cream cone, we're going to slightly sketch out circular shape. And then underneath the circle, just going to do a pointy cone at the bottom. Remember, we're going to make this guy look super cute. Okay, so the next thing we can do is just draw a little line down here just where the eyes are going to rest. Beneath that, we'll do a small little mouth. Remember, you can always stop this, rewind it, replay it for any parts you're stuck on. Alright, so I have a nice little grin with a mouth and the tongue showing. Underneath that, I'm doing the lip. Okay, now this is where we're going to put the big round eyes. Big oval here. Big oval on the other side. Nice little cheek lines there. Big pupils. Do the same thing on the other side here. Darken these lines up just a tad. Remember, anytime you need to erase, just go in there, erase, start out super light. Let's add some little drip lines. This guy hasn't melted yet, but he's hanging in there. All right. Do some tiny little eyebrows over here. If you want, you can even add a little eyelash here. Maybe even thicken this up some. All right, about on each side, just past the eyebrow, darken that up some. Darken the cone up some. And let's do some diagonal lines to create the waffle pattern. Nice waffle cone here. Okay, let's add a cherry on the top of this. Nice circular shape. Add a little bump on either side just to show some indentation that it's been placed on top of this ice cream cone. Can even add little drips there just to show some kind of a texture there. Add a little stem. Close it off. And there you have it. We have a cute little ice cream cone, cute little dessert. And as simple as that, you can create your own cute drawings. And make sure to share this lesson with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and let everybody know about Cartoon University. And we'll see you next week for the latest lesson. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest lessons here on Cartoon University.